This detox water is the perfect combination for a healthy and detoxified body and flat abs. In this article, you will find not just a healthy solution for flat abs. After making this recipe, you will see that is also a delicious and refreshing recipe. On the market exist many types of water with different flavors, but most of them contain sweeteners and other chemicals. Today you can prepare at home a delicious and healthy recipe using some natural ingredients that stimulate natural slimming. All the ingredients from this recipe help to remove the toxins from the body and will make your abs flat. In order to have a flat ab, I also recommend you to make some sport and be aware of what you're eating. Ingredients: 2 liters of water, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 medium cucumber, 1 lemon, mint leaves. About ingredients: lemon rich in vitamin C, stimulate detox. Cucumber contains 90% water and also stimulate detox. Mint helps in burning fat and treat abdominal pain. Ginger helps in relieving cramps and pain in the body, maintain glycemic index. How to prepare? 1. Slice the cucumber and lemon. Keep the peel because contains nutrients. 2. Add all the ingredients in a big bowl with water. 3. Put the bowl in the fridge and leave it overnight. 4. Drink the next day, all the water because it is recommended to drink at least 2 liters of water per day. I am sure you will love this water, and you will start to prepare more and more because everybody will want to drink it. It is very refreshing, delicious and healthy.